What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the objective is simply to find the area of the figure. Go ahead and hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So this figure right here is something that we call a composite figure, which means it's made up of a bunch of shapes that we know really well. And this one is made up of a triangle, a rectangle, and a square. So what I'm gonna do to solve this is I'm gonna break it up into those identifiable shapes because we have nice formulas for area of each of those shapes. So the first thing I did is I added in this little rectangle here because that divides this up into a single rectangle. It also divides up this piece into its own square because you can see it's 5 by 5, which is great. And it also separates out this triangle, which we still have to figure out the dimensions of the triangle, but at least we can see it. Now, since I have a square, I know the area of a square is length times width. So it's 5 times 5, which is 25. To get the length of the rectangle, I gotta figure out this side right here. I already know the entire length this way is 9. Well, if I know that this entire length here is 8 and this piece up to here is 5, this little chunk here is 3 meters, which means the area here is 3 times 9, which is 27. Last but not least, we need the triangle. To get the area of a triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. So what is the base of the triangle? Again, base is kind of arbitrary. It's just base and height have to meet at a right angle. So the base here, well, if this is 9 and this is 3, this length in here is going to be 6, right? 9 minus 3 is 6. And then what's this chunk here? Well, I know that this entire thing has a length of 9 and this piece up to here is 5. So that's like this piece up here being 5. So what's 9 minus 5? That is 4. So what is the area of this triangle? It's 6 times 4, which is 24. Then we gotta take half of that because it's 1/2 base times height. So that gives you an area of 12. Now to get the total area of this whole shape, we just add those guys up. We've got 12 plus 27 plus 25. This equals 14 plus 1, 4, and 6. But don't forget units because I did include meters for the units. So the area is, of course, meters squared, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. And if you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.